This is my neighborhood. The day after the big snowstorm. Look at my car. 17 inches of snow. There's my house. Here's the snow plows coming. Notice, nicely shoveled walk. Snow plow.